Hi everyone, how are you? This is Ali VDA Home Design. Today we are in one of the nicest project that we have ever done. I really like this project because of the colors and the taste of customer. This project I think turns out very nice and beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go over this project. This project is including we done the master bathroom, the whole flooring here, kitchen, the doors and windows, everything on the main floor. I can tell you in these parts we done it. Okay, I'm gonna go over the doors and windows here. The door and window was completely different. It has lots of griddle here. We add this kind of picture window. This door open on the other side. We change it to this kind of double door and the fixed panel on there. We add lots of picture window. Here we add the what we done. It was a wall and it was like a table here. We extend the sink. Right now the sink is level with the wall. Before it was like here. We push the whole sink and trash can area and dishwasher area to the back like 24 inches. Based on that, we have much bigger island with this small adjustment. And on the back of it, we do have the different cabinet colors with some storage and one beverage center that we put on the back of it. But this change, pushing this to the out for 24 inch allow us to have a huge island in the center and much better workspace here. But the sink position is approximately same as the before, but we push it back a little bit. And what we done here, it was the cooktop and it was the oven and microwave. We changed it to the range top. We removed the oven and microwave and we gave them range, to the range, and range has double oven, 118, 130 inch oven with the hood on top. And you can see the bigger oven is 30 inch and it has roller trays in it. We add the pot filler here and for soup or vegetables, if you want to add water on it, this is very nice. The hood is very nice too. Here is a refrigerator with the panel ready refrigerator. You can open it up like that, and on the bottom is the freezer. And we gave them lots of different pantries, some of them with shelf, some of them with roll-out shelf. And this pantry has this accessory for adjustable shelf on the doors, which is very nice. And here we're gonna have the pantry with rollouts, and we gave them outlet on the pantry. They can, for example, if they want to use a toaster, they put it on the outlet, they bring it out, they use a toaster and they push it back. Very easy and nice. And on this part, we gave them a panel matching to the cabinet to have a nicer finish and better finish here, which is on the before they didn't have it. On the island, we gave them a storage area on the back of the island and sitting area. We hide the chair with the paneling, with extra paneling from the side. When you are in this side, you don't see the chairs. This is a very nice feature, and this is gonna be a big game changer in the islands, because always chairs not in the right position and maybe they don't have a good looking, you can hide it this way. Okay, that's it. Only I want to mention to you, one thing. This is the dishwasher with the panel, and you can open it up and close it. And the pull-out spice racks. I want to mention this to you too. The pull-out spice rack with wooden shelves. This is very nice. You can have your spices here. And the drawer microwave is here. This drawer microwave is this is a flush mount installation for the drawer microwave. If you check, the drawer microwave going inside this trim, not coming out. It means gonna be flush with the drawer front. That's it. This is the kitchen that we done recently. We're gonna go over the bathroom and other part too. Thank you so much and have a good one. Bye.